The citizen leader NACHAMISA has confirmed that his official X account, formerly Twitter, has been hacked in what his team suspects is a politically motivated cyber attack. Sanavina mashoko panguva ino ari kunyogwa panguva ino zvinzi Varakashi voyeka account yaNelsonchamisa X ndobva subscribe like on the bell kuti timu yamnamumbulani kwamuchinzi. In a statement released Tuesday morning, Chamisa said the social media presence had been compromised by what he described as cyber criminals. He noted that his team was working closely with the X support team to regain control of the account and prevent further misuse. Chamisa stated that the hack was serious and ongoing, explaining that our cybersecurity team is working diligently with the X support team to fix this problem, regain control and implement remedial measures. He assured supporters that they would be kept updated on the status of the account recovery and any actions being taken. Although Chamisa stopped short of naming specific perpetrators, sources within his team believe the breach may have been orchestrated by state security agents. One senior communications officer within the Citizen Coalition, the Citizen Movement, speaking anonymously, claimed that there have been multiple attempts in the past to interfere with NACHAMISA's online presence, including phishing and impersonation efforts. He added that this hack is sophisticated and we believe elements within state security may be involved. The hack comes at a time of heightened political tension in Zimbabwe, with opposition figures frequently accusing the state of targeting them through both physical and digital means. The X platform has become a vital tool for Chamisa and his supporters to engage with the public, raise awareness, and challenge the state narrative. Thomas Waruda panguva ino Chamisa chisuspecta these guys of state security vachinzi aiwa ndo vari kuuya panapa vachihacka his account, but still iri kunyatsoworka diligently to regain control of his account. Pinangome section medu muzemafungiro emuri kuri pamusoro pechitiko ichi pamusana subscribe like sit on the bell icon.